So good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, my dear Chintos. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. Vanakkam, vanakkam, vanakkam. Hope everybody of you doing great. Hope your preparation is going great, and hope you enjoyed the last session. Da. Okay, so we had a great session yesterday on the strategy of last 180 days. Okay, so those who have not watched that, please go watch it. That will be really very useful for your upcoming JEE exam, right? So இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போறது ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸ் தான். ஸோ திஸ் வுட் பி த லாஸ்ட் பார்ட் ஆஃப் த ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸ். ஓகே, ஸோ இன்னைக்கு நம்ம டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ண போற சப் டாபிக்ஸ் வந்து ஈவன் ஆட் ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸ், பீரியாடிக் ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸ் அண்ட் ஃபங்க்ஷனல் ஈக்குவேஷன்ஸ். இந்த ஃபங்க்ஷனல் ஈக்குவேஷன்ஸ் வில் பி ரியலி வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். கண்டிப்பாக வந்து ஒரு கொஸ்டின் வந்துடும். ஓகேவா? நாட் ஓன்லி இன் ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸ் பட் ஆல்சோ இன் அதர் சாப்டர்ஸ் ஆல்சோ திஸ் ஃபங்க்ஷனல் ஈக்குவேஷன்ஸ் வில் பி இன்வால்வ்ட். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், application of derivatives. Application of derivatives also, like few questions are involved with functional equations concepts. So this is very important. So everything is a function. Now calculus la everything we study is a function. So anywhere it can come. So very important concept I'm going to discuss in today's class. Hope you are ready for today's class. Let us begin the show now. Yes, sir, before getting into that, I want everyone of you to subscribe the channel. So this is a small request from my side, and this is a small gift I can ask from you guys. So please do this and then subscribe. Okay, so yes, sir, first we will start with even odd function. Sir, even odd function enna, sir? Basically first odd function enna, even function enna. See, even function now f of minus x is equal to f of x vandiruchina, that is even function da. So which means that or function lo if I replace x with minus x, திருப்பி if I get the same function, அது even function. Odd function enna f of minus x is equal to minus of that function வந்துச்சுனா அது odd function. Simple definition da. So இப்போ நம்ம பார்க்க போற கான்செப்ட் என்ன? even odd function, right? So இதுல f of minus x is equal to f of x வந்தது even, f of minus x is equal to minus into f of x வந்துருச்சுனா அது odd function. So ஒரு simple example பாரு. So இங்க பாரு, example, for example, f of x is equal to what? X square. Okay, if I replace x with minus x, which means if I find f of minus x, what I'm going to get? Tell me. So minus x whole square, or x square vandicha here. Tell me. So f of minus x is equal to what? X square is nothing but what? F of x. So definitely f of x is equal to, f of minus x is equal to f of x vandirukada. So this is enna idi, it even function. Simple logic, very simple definition and a simple example as well. So now one more example, let me see one more example pari. So one more example pathina, sir, example f of x is equal to cos x. Sir, cos x enna, sir? F of minus x is equal to cos of minus x. Pari, f of minus x is equal to cos of negative theta is cos theta only. Cos of negative x is equal to cos x only, guys. We already studied this. Where? We already studied this in the trigonometry chapter. Yes or no? F of minus x is equal to 3p f of x on this. So definitely this is going to be what? A even function. In the even function. Hope everybody is getting the point. Very simple definition. 1 minute. I'm not able to read the chart. Yes or no? Hi Advait, hi Vijaya, hi Ra Sarvanan. Okay, so good to see you guys here. Odd function, sir. So this is odd function definition. Example pari, or example pari. Sir, example pathina, simple example pari. Any example you say. For example, f of x is equal to any polynomial with odd degree. Any polynomial with odd power is always what? Odd function pari, the odd function. Eppadi odd function, sir? Eppadi odd function na pari. So f of minus x is equal to what? The minus x whole cube. So 3 pena varunda minus f of x na vandittu irukku pari. So minus x cube. So inga correct pathina f of minus x is equal to minus f of x vandittu irukku. So that's why the kudutha function is what? Basically odd function. Pari? Yes or no? Very simple, sir. Now if I talk about pari, one more example pari. F of x is equal to what? Sin x. F of x is equal to sin x means what? F of minus x is equal to what? Sin of minus x. So f of minus x is equal to minus sin x. So f of minus x is equal to what? Minus f of x. So this is what basically the even function, odd function. Sin x is what? Basically odd function. Purida ellarkum? ஓகேவா? ஆட் ஃபங்க்ஷன் எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது, ஈவன் ஃபங்க்ஷன் எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது தெரியணும்டா. ஸோ கேல்குலஸில் ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல் ஆயிரும்டா. டிஃபைனைட் இன்டிகிரேஷனில் நம்மளுக்கு இந்த ஆட் ஈவன் ஃபங்க்ஷன் டெஃபினேஷன் ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல் ஆயிரும். ஸோ மேக் ஷூர் தட் யூ ஆர் லேர்னிங் த டெஃபினேஷன் ப்ராப்பர்லி அண்ட் சீயிங் an example. Okay, hope you understood how to verify odd even functions, right? So next, sir, now everybody listen the class. Sir, it must be noted that a function may neither be odd nor be even. Guys, or function can be even or function can be odd. A function can be neither even nor odd. There is a possibility that a function can be even or odd. There is also a possibility that a function can neither be even nor odd. And the function is ln x. Beautiful example, Pari. So ln x is one example. Sin x plus cos x is another beautiful example. Hope everybody is getting the point. E power of x is another example, Pari. So these three functions, no matter what you put, f of minus x is equal to f of x varadu, f of minus x is equal to minus f of x varadu. So adanalave these three functions can be said as what? Neither odd nor even. Okay, wow. How do you say this? None function. What do you call this as? None function, which means neither odd nor even. None means what? Neither odd nor even. Full form. Are you getting the point? Neither odd nor even function. Hope everybody is getting the point. Neither odd nor even. Purida? Super irukunda. Yes or no? No, Advait. Yes or no, guys? Are you getting the point? Odd is nothing but f of minus x is equal to minus f of x or no? Minus into f of x vanda the odd function da. Hope everybody is getting the point. It is a simple question da. Okay, sir, now can I talk about a few more examples? Let us talk about few more examples. Beautiful examples, let us see. Yes or no da? Sir, let us see beautiful examples. For example, let me talk about one example, Pari. Sir, example, f of x is equal to what da? Cos x minus sin x, or you can write sin x minus cos x. Sorry, sin x minus cos x. What type of function is this? So let's say f of x is equal to ln of 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x. So what kind of function is this? Everybody should check this. Everybody should check this. Eppadi check pannikala sir? Eppadi check pannu paru. Sir, first you replace x with minus x da. X with minus x, now what happens? Tell me. F of minus x. So sin of minus x minus cos of minus x. Purida? Sir, f of minus x is equal to what? Sin of minus x is minus sin x. Then cos of minus x is cos x only. Sir, if I just take minus common, what I'm going to get? Sin x minus cos x I'm getting. You tell me. Sin x plus cos x. Minus sin x, cos x, so minus sin x. Are you getting the point or not? Tell me. What type of function is this? What type of function is this? Tell me. What type of function is this? This is therefore f of x is equal to neither odd nor even function. Are you getting the point or not? Neither odd nor even function. Hope everybody is getting the point. Now replace x with minus x. What happens here? Tell me. F of minus x is equal to ln of 1 minus of minus x divided by 1 plus of minus x. So everybody solve this. இப்படி solve பண்ண என்ன வரும் பாரு? 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. Sir, இது solve பண்ண f of minus x is equal to what da? Sir, இதுல minus common எடுத்து என்ன வரும்? இதுல minus common எடுத்து என்ன வரும் பாரு? Can I write this as, if I take minus common da? So கீழ x minus 1 will come with minus common. புரியுதா எல்லாருக்கும்? Hope everybody is getting the point. Hope everybody of you are getting the point. Yes or no? Absolutely yes, sir. Sir, now can I write this guy as what? So ln of 1 plus x divided by x minus 1 to the power of முன்னாடி இருக்கிற minus can I shift over here? இப்படி shift பண்ணிக்கலாமா? இப்படி shift பண்ணா என்ன வரும்? இப்படி shift பண்ணா என்ன வரும்? No audio ah. Guys, என்னோட ஆடியோ வீடியோ கிளியரா இருக்காடா? எக்ஸ்டன் ப்ளீஸ் செக். நோ ஆடியோ என்னடா? வாட் ஆர் யூ சேயிங் மேன்? கைஸ், என்னோட ஆடியோ வீடியோ எல்லாமே கிளியரா இருக்கா? ஆடியோ வீடியோ எல்லாமே கிளியரா இருக்கா கைஸ்? நோ ஆடியோ, நோ ஆடியோ. கைஸ், என்னோட வாய்ஸ் கேக்குதா? ப்ளீஸ் செக். நோ ஆடியோ. வாட் ஆர் யூ சேயிங் மேன்? நோ ஆடியோவா? கைஸ், என்னோட வாய்ஸ் கேக்குதாடா? எக்ஸ்டன் ப்ளீஸ் செக். ப்ளீஸ் டூ ரெஸ்பாண்ட் கைஸ். Clear audio, guys, everybody can hear that. Okay, so listen the class, guys. So basically you take minus common right here. Now I'll do one thing. All this venada, so minus common vena, simply do like this. So can I write this guy as pari? So 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x whole inverse. Whole inverse. இது inverse தான் என்ன? 1 divided by the function. 1 divided by the function. Reciprocate பண்ண திருப்பி இதுதான் வரும் பாரு. நல்லா பாத்துக்கோ. Yes or no டா? 1 divided by this minus, sorry. 1 divided by minus. இங்க minus இங்க வரும்டா. Okay, the minus inga plus inga pari. So now this minus will be jumping forward. So ln of 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x pari. Yes or no? So now f of minus x is equal to what? Minus f of x mari vandettirke. So therefore f of x is equal to what? Odd function. Odd function. Eppadi? Guys, I am writing this guy pari 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x can be written as what? 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x to the power of inverse. Okay, inverse means what? To the power of minus 1. This to the power of minus 1 can be written as 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. 1 divided by 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Sorry. So hope you are getting the point. So here you just need to understand here. Clear? Yes or no? Da? Hope everybody getting the point. Clear? Yes or no? Yes. So this is the basic understanding. Da? So this is how we need to understand. Okay. So now I'll give one more example. Pari. So for example, let me say one more example. Pari. So f of x plus f of x equal to e power of x plus e power of minus x divided by 2. This eppadi check pannanum pari. This eppadi check pannanum. Guys, everybody should respond in the chat box. Okay, everybody should respond in the chat box. Dhanush ji, no Dhanush ji pari. Sir, x with minus x replace panna enna varum? F of minus x is equal to e power of minus x plus e power of plus x minus of minus x. Purida divided by 2. Sir, f of minus x is equal to what? E power of minus x plus e power of x divided by 2. Pari, sir, again f of minus x is equal, isn't it looking like f of x mari than irukidi? So therefore f of x is equal to what? Da? Even function. Idana idi even function. Are you getting the point? Even function. இப்படி check பண்ணனும். Yes or no da? இப்படி check பண்ணனும். Odd function or even function எப்படி check பண்றது? x placeல minus f of x, x placeல minus x போட்டா நமக்கு idea வந்துரும். Which what kind of function is that? Yes or no da? Yes or no? Tell me guys, tell me quick. Yes or no? Sir, I am ill. What happened? Enachida? Why? What happened? What happened? Geeta sir, chapter is 11th NCERT post chapter name. Functions da, functions. This is basically a chapter called functions. In functions, one of the subtopics. Okay, wow. Yes or no? 12th ra. Geeta ji, macros, please take care macros. Please take care macros. Okay, wow. So next pathina periodic function da. Periodic function. Guys, very important. A periodic function hai na basically. See, one function will be repeating after certain interval. That particular interval, after what interval a function repeats? Are you getting the point? After what interval the function repeats? That particular interval or a length will be called as a period. Okay, for example, let me tell you. Guys, f of x is called as a periodic if there exists a least positive number called t. If there exists at least a least positive number called t should be greater than 0 is called a period of the function. Okay, such that we need to have this definition da. In the definition follow பண்ணனும். Periodic ஒரு function periodic இல்லையா check பண்றதுக்கு நீ வந்து இந்த definition follow பண்ணனும். F of x plus t is equal to f of x. Okay வா? So இந்த function ஒரு function periodic இல்லையா check பண்றதுக்கு f of x plus t should be equal to what? F of x ஆகணும். இந்த t is what basically the periodic of that function. And the t is what? The period of the function. Okay va? So for all x values within the domain of the function. Okay va? Within the domain of the function for all value of x. Okay. So for example, let me say sin x, cos x, secant x, cosec x. All these are periodic functions with period called 2 pi. All these are periodic functions with period called 2 pi. Super sir. Eppadi, how are we saying that? Now I'll tell you that. Tan x and cot x are periodic functions with a period called pi. Are you getting the point? With a period called pi. Hope everybody is getting the point. Okay, with period called 2 pi. which is period 2 pi da. Sin x, cos x, secant x, cosec x oda period 2 pi. Tan x, cot x oda period vandu pi always. Yes or no? Very good Geeta. Very good Gautam, very good Gautam. Okay, now modulus of sin x, modulus of cos x, modulus of tan x, modulus of secant x, modulus of cosec x are periodic functions with period vandu pi da. With period vandu pi. என்ன ஒரு ஃபங்க்ஷனுக்கு மாட் வந்தா sin x ஓட மாட் போட்டா, cos x க்கு மாட் போட்டா, tan x க்கு மாட் போட்டா, cosec x க்கு மாட் போட்டா, secant x க்கு மாட் போட்டா, cot x க்கு மாட் போட்டா, அவரோட ஃபங்க்ஷன் எப்பவுமே அந்த ஃபங்க்ஷனோட பீரியட் எப்பவுமே பை. ஓகே சார், we will prove all this, don't worry. Okay, next step x, I mean fractional part of x is a periodic function with period called 1 da. Okay va, fractional part of x oda period enna 1. Guys, this is hiding over here. So fractional part of x oda period enna 1. Sir epdi na? Yes or no? ஆமா ஆஷா கேமிங் ஜி, நோ ரே, நோ புரியுதா? வெரி குட் சார், வெரி குட் சார். எப்படி சார்? ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் லெட் மீ ப்ரூவ் ஒன் திங் சார். எக்ஸாம்பிள் லெட் அஸ் ப்ரூவ் திஸ். sin x ஓட பீரியட் என்ன? sin x cos x ஓட பீரியட் பாரு. sin x ஓட பீரியட், cos x ஓட பீரியட், tan x ஓட பீரியட், ஓகே, அண்ட் secant x ஓட பீரியட். செக். sin cos secant cos x, சாரி, sin cos secant cos x, sin cos secant x and cosec x. Okay va, all these functions are period enna? Period வந்து 2 pi. Okay, are you getting the point? Next பாத்தீங்கன்னா tan x ஓட period is pi, cot x ஓட period is basically what? Pi. Okay, next பாத்தீங்கன்னா mod x. Okay, mod sin x, mod cos x, mod tan x. Okay, everything or a period na pi da. I'll just prove here. Proof எப்படி prove பண்ணனும் பாரு. Proof என்னன்னா பாரு, simple da. For example sin x, let me say one sin x function. Sin x ஓட graph எப்படி இருக்கும்? இப்படி தான இருக்கும். Are you getting the point? Sin x ஓட period வந்து, I mean sin x ஓட graph வந்து இப்படி இருக்கும்டா. See, இதனா 0 சார், இதனா சார் pi சார், இது 2 pi சார். சார் இப்போ நீங்க கரெக்ட்டா பாத்தீங்கன்னா again திருப்பி this பாம்பு shape is coming. Okay, after what interval you are getting the பாம்பு shape? After what interval அந்த பாம்பு shape வந்துட்டு இருக்கு பாருடா. For example guys, here 0 to 2 pi ல இருந்து ஒரு பாம்பு வந்துருச்சு. எஸ் ஆர் நோ? 0 to 2 pi ல ஒரு பாம்பு. now இங்க திருப்பி பாருடா 2 pi ல இருந்து 4 pi திருப்பி சேம் பாம்பு வந்துட்டு இருக்கு. 0 to 2 pi ல ஒரு பாம்பு, திருப்பி 2 pi to 4 pi ல ஒரு பாம்பு, 4 pi to 6 pi ல இருந்து ஒரு பாம்பு. guys, சேம் பாம்பு வரணும் பாரு. சார் இப்போ here 0 ல இருந்து 4 pi ஒரு பெரிய பாம்பு, why can't we take sir? 0 to 4 pi directly ஒரு பெரிய பாம்பு, why can't we take? You can take, but that is also period, but we always have to consider the least fundamental period. Fundamentally what? The least period we need to take. பாரு புரியுதா? சார் 0 to 2 pi ல இருந்து ஒரு பாம்பு வந்துட்டு இருக்கு பாரு, இந்த மாதிரி ஷேப் வந்துட்டு இருக்கா பாரு. next 2 pi to 4 pi இந்த மாதிரி ஷேப் வந்துட்டு இருக்கா. so same shape I am getting from where to where? 0 ல இருந்து 2 pi க்கு ஒரு ஷேப். okay, again 2 pi ல இருந்து 4 pi னா ஒரு ஷேப். same shape you should get. same design ல பாம்பு வரணும். பாம்பு 0 to 2 pi ல ஒரு பாம்பு, 2 pi to 4 pi ல ஒரு பாம்பு. சேம் டிசைன் வந்துடணும். Are you getting the point? சேம் டிசைன் வந்தா பாரு எத்தனை, for what interval you are getting the same design? For what interval you are getting the same design? So 2 pi. So that is the reason period வந்து 2 pi. சார் இது ஓகே சார், நல்லா இருக்கு. பட் மேத்தமெட்டிக்கலி எப்படி சார் ப்ரூவ் பண்றது? மேத்தமெட்டிக்கலி how do we prove this பாரு. So what was the definition of period? Definition of the period was f of x plus t. Basically f of x plus t is equal to f of x irukanoda. Now I am saying that t is what basically, so t means what? Period here. What was the period of the sin function da? This is y is equal to sin x function da. Okay va, y is equal to sin x function. adukku period enna irundhuchida? 2 pi irundhuchu. ipo t plus la 2 pi potu paru, f of t plus la 2 pi pota, f of x means what da? f of x equal to sin x I am talking about paru. sir ipo f of x is sin x, f of x plus 2 pi enna? f of x plus 2 pi enna? sin of 2 pi plus x is equal to sin x. sin 2 pi plus theta பாரு, 2 pi இங்க இருக்கும்டா, 2 pi வந்து இங்க இருக்கும்டா. so 2 pi plus theta means first quadrant ல sin positive பாரு. sin x is equal to sin x வந்துருச்சா இல்லையா பாரு. sin x is equal to sin x we are getting or not? so t place ல 2 pi போட்டா எனக்கு LHS RHS ரெண்டுமே மேட்ச் ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு. LHS RHS ரெண்டுமே மேட்ச் ஆயிட்டு இருக்குற சிண்டு. அப்போ can I say இந்த ஃபங்க்ஷனோட பீரியட் எப்பவுமே 2 pi தான். yes or no? yes. Shiva gaming, yes ra. Both are same. Asha gaming, Asha, both are same, but konja difference irukunda. Questions will be konja different, but syllabus for JEE will be same da. 100% Dhanasri. Ipo nanu state board student da. Dhanasri, are you getting the point? Not really Shiva அப்படினா கிடையாது. Signum function, sorry, functional equation, sorry, fractional part of x. Fractional function is also periodic function with a period called 1. Not necessarily for trigonometric da, non-trigonometric functions also can be a periodic function. Example, fractional part of x. Fractional part of x is non-trigonometric function. அதுக்கு periodic, அதையும் periodic தானா? அவரோட period என்ன 1. எப்படி சார்? I'll tell you the graph, don't worry. Yes or no? So இப்படி prove பண்ணணும். இப்படி prove பண்ணா we can get it. Similarly you prove for cos x, secant x and tan x, cot x. Hope everybody is getting the point. Hope everybody is getting the point. So similarly prove the remaining. இது prove பண்ணியாச்சு, இது everything you can prove. Yes or no? Definitely yes sir. Sir next பாத்தீங்கன்னா sir mod sin x, mod cos x, mod tan x, mod cot x, mod secant x, mod cosec x. For all this period என்னடா t is equal to pi. Period என்ன pi. எப்படி sir? What do you want Geeta? What do you want Gautam? Can I see your one shot like this chapter in JEE Vaathi? 100% da. Why can't you? You can see every time, no problem. Okay sir, now look at the board. Sir, for example, mod sin x oda graph இப்படி இருக்கும்டா பாரு. Sir, y is equal to sin x oda graph எப்படி இருக்கும் sir? இதுதான் sin x oda graph. In the last classல we already studied. என்னது? We already studied. இது y is equal to sin x. So y is equal to mod sin x. Mod sin x என்ன? Everything should be above the x axis பாரு. Everything should be above the x axis. கீழ இருக்கிற graph வந்து மேல வந்துரும். கீழ இருக்கிற graph வந்து மேல வந்துரும் பாரு. கீழ இருக்கிற graph வந்து மேல வந்துரும். Okay, so this is how the graph looks like. This is how the graph looks like. Are you getting the point? Is x axis, is y axis. Are you getting the point or not? Tell me yes or no. Yes sir. Sir, now this 0, this pi, this 2 pi, this minus pi, this minus 2 pi. Pari. For what interval you are getting that mala? Check 0 to pi la or mala irukku, pi to 2 pi la or mala irukku. Okay, for what interval mala repeat ஆயிட்டிருக்குடா? pi. So the period என்ன? For this period என்ன? Period called t is equal to what? Pi. That is the reason I'm saying for all these guys period enna pi. So example, you can take sin x, cos x venuma, cos x prove panikala, tan x venuma, tan x, everything you can prove in a same manner. Hope you are getting the point. Sir, trigonometry chapter la edutadinga sir. Sashimina already mudinche Sashimina. Trigonometry I took in 3-4 parts. Please go check it out. Okay, enoda playlist la irukum, poi check panni paru. Okay va. Hope everybody of you are understanding what I am trying to say. Clear ah? எல்லாருக்கும் clear ஆயிருக்கா இல்லையா? Yes or no guys? Okay, next note guys. Next என்னன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா பாரு guys, see there is a function called fractional part of x. இவரோட period என்னடா? இதுக்கு t is equal to 1 basically. ஏன் t is equal to 1 னா பாரு, ஏன் period is 1 basically. இந்த ஃபங்க்ஷனுக்கு பீரியட் என்ன 1. எப்படி சார்? இவரோட கிராஃப் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஃப்ராக்ஷனல் பார்ட் ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் வில் நெவர் கிராசஸ் 1 டா. 0க்கு 1க்கு நடுவில் இருக்கணும்டா. ஓகேவா? பாரு இது 0. ஓகே, ஃப்ராக்ஷனல் பார்ட் ஆஃப் எக்ஸோட கிராஃப் இப்படி இருக்கும்டா பாரு. ஸோ திஸ் கிராஃப் வில் பி லைக் திஸ். ஸோ நீங்கள் கரெக்டாக பாரு. ஓகே, ஸோ த கிராஃப் வில் பி லைக் திஸ். ஓகே, the graph will be like this. So this is basically 0, இது 1, இது 2, இது -1, இது -2. Okay, இந்த function is repeating பாரு 0 to 1க்கு நடுவுல இந்த சேம் ஷேப் வந்து பாரு. இப்போ 0க்கு 1க்கு நடுவுல இது இருக்கு. அகைன் திருப்பி 1 to 2ல சேம் ஷேப் இருக்கு. So function is repeating for every one unit. That's why I'm saying period na 1. Hope everybody is getting the point. Idanada y is equal to fractional part of extra graph. Hope everybody is clear with this. Yes or no? 100% clear sir. Okay guys, clear ah? Yes or no, tell me. Tell me guys, tell me. Hope you people are understanding this. Proof enna pare. This example I gave. Okay, example idi. No. Geeta, Gautamji already irikida nalla paru, playlist la poi paru. Okay, playlist la poi paatha you will be getting an idea. Okay, next note guys, note. Okay, if period of the function is, who is this guy? If period of f of x is equal to t, then period of f of ax is going to be t by mod a. Are you all getting the point? T by mod a. Sir, for example sin 2x. Okay, function வந்து என்ன இருக்குடா, sin 4x இருக்கு. ஓகேவா, sin 4x or 5x you write or 7x you write. So sin 7x ஓட பீரியட் என்ன? Which function I am talking about? நான் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ற ஃபங்க்ஷன் என்ன? sin x ஃபங்க்ஷன். sin x ஓட பீரியட் என்ன சொன்னாரு சுரேஷ் சார்? sin x ஓட பீரியட் என்ன சொன்னாரு சுரேஷ் சார்? 2π. இப்போ sin function ஓட பீரியட் என்ன? 2π எடுக்கணும் பாரு. sin function I am talking about. sin function ஓட பீரியட் என்ன? 2π divided by coefficient of x என்ன இருக்குமோ அந்த coefficient of x கிட்ட டிவைட் பண்ணு பாரு. இப்போ function of ax, f of ax ஓட பீரியட் என்ன? t by mod a. mod a means what? A is what basically coefficient of x. இங்க a என்ன இருக்குடா? Coefficient of x என்ன? 7 இருக்கு. So 7 கிட்ட டிவைட் பண்ணு. This is the period now. So for example, you have something like this. Okay, you have something like this. Let's say tan 3x. Okay, tan ஓட பீரியட் என்ன? tan ஓட பீரியட் என்ன? சுரேஷ் சார் என்ன சொன்னார் பாரு. tan ஓட பீரியட் என்ன? tan ஓட பீரியட் வந்து பை சார். So tan function ஓட பீரியட் என்ன? பை. இவரோட பீரியட் என்ன பாரு. இவரோட பீரியட் என்ன? tan function ஓட பீரியட் வந்து பை divided by coefficient of x. So this is the answer. Hope everybody is getting the point. Yes or no? Very good. So please keep white background. Okay, next time I'll try to take solution of triangles. That is not that much important. Sine rule, cosine rule vanda podunda. Please wait. Important chapters will try to finish it up first. He is asking me one thing from 1947. Okay, sir, for example, note, another note enna paru, another note, I'll tell you this. Okay, sir, இப்போ இங்க கரெக்ட்டா பாத்தீங்கன்னா, okay, so everybody listen the class. இப்போ இதுல for example you have something like this. Okay, h of x is equal like this. h of x is equal to f of x plus or minus g of x. இப்படி இருக்கு. let's say we need to find out period of h of x. இவரோட period என்ன? let's say t1. இவரோட period என்ன? let's say t2. Okay வா? then you write like this. If h of x is equal to this plus or minus this, period of f of x is what? t1. period of g of x is t2. then period of h of x is equal to what? LCM of then period of h of x is equal to LCM of t1 comma t2. Okay va? t1 t2 oda LCM edukano. That is what basically the concept. Hope everybody is getting the point. Any doubts here? Sir, period of h of x enada? LCM of t1 and t2 edukanoda. So this is the concept we are going to use here. So ஒரு example பார்த்தா நமக்கு ஐடியா வரும் சார். ஒரு example பார்த்தா நமக்கு ஐடியா வந்துரும். Okay, ஒரு example பாரு. Example pare. For example, let me say any example. Okay, example enna? Okay, let's say some h of x is equal to, you have sin 2x by 3 plus tan x. plus tan x. Tell me, what is h of x period? Tell me, what is the period of this guy? What is the period of this guy? What is the period of ivaroda period on the pi da? Ivaroda period enna? Ivaroda period enna paakanu. Sir, unga JEE oh guys, when I wrote JEE exam there was no percentile da. Okay, are you getting the point or not? Okay, sir, ivaroda period enna? Sine function I'm talking about. Sine function period enna 2 pi divided by coefficient of x enna. Coefficient of x enna adi divide pananum. Suresh sir சொன்னாரு ஒரு ஃபங்க்ஷனோட பீரியட் which is in the form of f of ax என்ன t by mod a. இப்போ sin ஃபங்க்ஷனோட பீரியட் என்ன 2 pi கீழ கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் ஆஃப் x கிட்ட டிவைட் பண்ணனும். இப்போ டிவைட் பண்ண என்ன வந்துரும் பாரு. டிவைட் பண்ண என்ன வந்துரும். ஓ ரே ஓகே டிவைட் பண்ண என்ன வந்துரும் பாரு. இது 2 கேன்சல் ஆயிடும் சார். Sir, மேல என்ன போயிடும். What will happen? So 3 pi and then this is pi. Okay, this is pi basically. So LCM of 3 pi comma pi is going to be what? Are you getting the point or not? Tell me. Let me just write LCM. This is 3 pi. Clear? So therefore you need to take LCM da. Therefore period of h of x. Are you clear? Period of h of x is equal to what? 3 pi. Simple, very simple. So this is how the periodic function looks like da. Hope everybody understood this. Now next pathina we will talk about functional equations da. Very important. This is super duper important concept. Enadi super duper important. This is super duper important. Some general functional identities and function satisfying. Okay, wow. I'll tell you a few logics da. In the 5 rules, if you remember da, in the 5 formulas, in the 5 identities, if you remember, so va anna va mari you can solve the questions. Eppadi va anna va mari. Oh my god. Everybody look at the board. Everyone guys look at the board. The first enna pathina first one. The first one, f of xy is equal to f of xy is equal to f of x plus f of y irunda, then you always have to take what da f of x is equal to k ln x. F of x is equal to what? K ln x. I'll tell you, wait. Idhukku enna sir? Idhukku enna sir? Idhukku enna sir? Okay. And idhukku enna? Okay, I'll tell you, wait. Now one by one we'll write. Here f of x will come, sir. Here f of x. Here f of x. Inga minus. Okay, wow. Okay, sir, now இப்படி இருந்தா என்ன பண்ணணும்? Guys, if f of x into y, guys, this pink color boxes, all these pink color boxes will be given in the question da. இது question mention பண்ணுவாங்கடா, நீங்க கவலைப்படாதே. Okay, what this pink color boxes will be given in the question. Okay, so now listen the class. What I am going to do here, first pink இப்படி வந்துருச்சுனா இந்த ஃபார்முலா அப்ளை பண்ணுடா பாரு. or f of x is equal to 0. Okay, f of x into y is equal to f of x plus f of y வந்தா அப்போ ஃபங்க்ஷன் என்ன எடுக்கணும்? What should be a function? k into ln x எடுக்கணும். சூப்பர்னா சூப்பரா சிண்டு பாரு. இப்போ f of x into y is equal to f of x into f of y. இங்க நடுவுல பிளஸ் வந்துருச்சுனா k ln x எடுக்கணும், இன்டு வந்துருச்சுனா x to the power of n எடுக்கணும். n என்ன? any real number here. Okay, next f of x minus y is equal to f of x into f of y. நடுவுல into இங்க minus வந்தா f of x should be what basically? F of x should be here, not into actually. Okay, guys, here basically f of a power of x here, a power of x, f of x plus y, correct or not da? Are you getting the point? This should be plus, I feel. This should be plus da. This should be plus. Let me tell you, wait. This should be plus here. This should be plus. இது plus இருந்தா மட்டும் இது கரெக்ட் ஆயிடும், இல்லாட்டி ராங் ஆயிரும்டா. Because check, f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y na பாரு. a power of x plus y பாரு. You can prove this very easily. f of x plus y is nothing but a power of x plus y. f of x is nothing but a power of x into a power of y பாரு. So a power of x plus y is equal to bases are same, powers can be added பாரு. This is equal to this வந்துருச்சு இல்லையா? So that's why இங்க plus இருக்கணும், minus இருக்க கூடாது. So இது is equal to இது into இதுனா f of x என்ன எடுக்கணும்? a power of x எடுக்கணும். Simple logic. a power of x எடுக்கணும். Hope everybody is understanding what I am trying to convey. Okay va. Next என்னன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா பாரு guys, f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y. பாரு இது ரெண்டுமே சேம் ரா பாபு, ரெண்டுமே சேம். நடுவுல பிளஸ் பிளஸ் இங்க இன்டு வந்துருச்சுனா பாரு இது ரெண்டுமே சேம், இது ரெண்டுமே சேம், இது ரெண்டுமே சேம். ஓகே, இங்க பிளஸ்னா இது, இன்டுனா இது, இது ரெண்டுமே சேம். இன்டுனா இது, பிளஸ்னா என்ன k ln x. என்னது k ln x. Be careful, k is any constant here. K is what basically some constant. Hope everybody is understanding. Sir, concept understand. Sir, என்ன பண்ணலாம்? Notes எப்படி சார் எடுத்துட்டு ப்ளீஸ் சொல்லுங்க. அரே notes, I'll be uploading these notes, don't worry. I'll be uploading these notes, don't worry. Okay. Sir, next, if f is any polynomial, next f is any polynomial function satisfying f of x into f of 1 by x. இது into இது வந்தா இப்போ into is equal plus பாரு f of x into f of 1 by x is equal to f of x plus f of 1 by x. Then f of x should be taken as what? F of x should be taken as this. Very very important, and where n is basically what? A natural number. N is basically a natural number. Guys, don't worry, ஒரு question solve பண்ணா நமக்கு நல்ல பியூட்டிஃபுல்லான ஐடியா வந்துரும்டா. Okay, shall we do one simple question da? Shall we do one simple question? Shall we do one beautiful question? Okay, I'll do one simple mains level question. Okay, this is mains level question da. Sir, இது இப்படி வந்தா எப்படி solve பண்ணணும் sir? Everybody look at the board. Guys, in the question பாரு, f of x be a polynomial function satisfying this. Okay, they have given this. F of x be a polynomial function satisfying this. Then f of 4 is equal to 64 given to f of 6 they are asking. f of 6 கேட்டிருக்காங்கடா. சார் சுரேஷ் சார் ஒரு விஷயம் சொன்னார். என்ன விஷயம்? சுரேஷ் சார் ஒரு விஷயம் சொன்னார். என்ன விஷயம் பாரு, இப்போ இந்த மாதிரி ஃபங்க்ஷன் வந்தா, இந்த மாதிரி ஃபங்க்ஷன் வந்தா என்ன பண்ண சொன்னாரு பாரு, இந்த மாதிரி ஃபங்க்ஷன் வந்தா என்ன பண்ண சொன்னாரு? ஓகே, சோ பாரு, f of x be a polynomial function, இது is equal to இது வந்தா சுரேஷ் சார் என்ன எடுக்க சொன்னாரு? f of x is equal to 1 plus or minus x to the power of n. Yes or no? சார் கான்செப்ட் எப்படி சார் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிருங்கன்னா பண்ணலாம், மருந்து என்னலாம் முடியல சார். ட்ரிக்ஸ் ரே, ட்ரிக்ஸ் எல்லா கான்செப்ட்க்கு ட்ரிக்ஸ் இருக்காதுடா. ஓகே, ட்ரிக்ஸ் ஷார்ட்கட்ஸ் எல்லா கான்செப்ட்ஸ்க்கு ட்ரிக்ஸ் வேணும்னா அப்படி முடியாது. ஓகே, so if I give shortcuts for every concept, if there is a shortcut for every concept, then everyone would become a ranker டா. அப்படின்னா கிடையாது. நீங்க கான்செப்ட்ஸ் நீங்க பிரெயின்ல ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணணும், நீங்க புரிஞ்சுக்கணும், ஹார்ட் ஒர்க் பண்ணணும். சும்மா ஷார்ட்கட்ஸ் கொடுங்க சார், ட்ரிக்ஸ் கொடுங்க சார், நான் வந்து நல்ல மார்க்ஸ் இன்னும் எடுத்துட்டு வரேன் சார், அப்படின்னா முடியாது. ஓகே, எவ்ரி கான்செப்ட் யூ நீட் டு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட், புட் யோர் எஃபர்ட். Okay, put an effort, then you will see some output in the exam. Are you getting the point? You are not even giving input, tricks solunga epdida. Every concept tricks irukadu. Very few concepts may have a trick, but not every concept. Please understand this. Okay, sir, ipo polynomial function idu is equal to idu kodutha f of x is equal to what? F of x is equal to what? 1 plus or minus x to the power of n. Ipo இந்த ஃபங்க்ஷன்ல அதுதான் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன் பாரு. செக். இப்போ ஃபங்க்ஷன் என்ன எடுக்கணும்? f of x is equal to 1 plus or minus x to the power of n. Sir, they have given this. f of 4 is equal to what? f of 4 means what? Plus or minus 4 to the power of n. So 4 to the power of n. f of 4 is equal to what? 65 கொடுத்திருக்காங்கடா பாரு. இப்போ இது is equal இது பண்ணணும் பாரு. இது ஈக்குவேட் பண்ணி பாரு. இது ஈக்குவேட் பண்ணா I'm going to take plus one time, plus case. Take plus, take minus. Plus எடுத்தா 1 plus 4 to the power of n is equal to 64. Minus எடுத்தா 1 minus 4 to the power of n is equal to 65. Sorry, 65. ஓகேவா? இப்போ 4 to the power of n is equal to 64 வரும் சார். அப்போ n is equal to what? n is equal to 3. தாராளமா 3 பாரு. எஸ் ஆர் நோ? இது பண்ணா பாரு, 4 to the power of n is equal to what? 60, sorry, minus 4 to the power of n, right? Minus 4 to the power of n is equal to 64. So n is what? Basically not possible here. Check. Not possible. N cannot be a natural number here, pari. N is not possible here. So definitely we should take n value 3. I should consider plus. So what is my function is going to be now? Tell me. From the star equation, from this star equation, what should my function should be? என்னோட ஃபங்க்ஷன் எப்படி இருக்கணும்? ப்ளஸ் மட்டும் எடுக்கணும். 1 plus x to the power of n இருக்கணும். they are asking us to find out f of 6. ஓகேவா? 1 plus 6 to the power of n என்ன வந்துருச்சுடா? 3 வந்துருச்சு. ஓகே, so 216 plus 1 which is equal to 217 should be the answer. 217 should be the answer. They have given something wrong in the options. So pari, இது வந்து 217 actually, 216 கிடையாது, இது 217. Option C for Chintu Baba is the right answer. Okay, option C for Chintu Wala is the right answer. Any doubt? Very good, very good, very good, very good. Yes, yes, Mosambi. Hi, 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 hi. Mosambis. Hi, Ra Mosambi. Wa Anna Wa. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, Wa. Okay, Wa. Very good, sir. Very good, sir. Very good, very good, very good. Congratulations, my dear Chintus. Congratulations, Ra Chintu. Congratulations, Ra Chintu. Okay, guys. Everybody look at the board. Guys, 217. இப்படிதா பண்ணனும் answer. Okay, வா. Shall we go forward? Are you all ready, guys? Are you all understanding or not? Next ஒரு question solve பண்ணிக்கலாம் பாரு. Okay. Everybody should do this question பாரு. இந்த question எப்படி solve பண்ணு பாரு. Okay, வா. இந்த question எப்படி solve பண்றது? Everybody look at the board. Simple question. F of x be a function such that f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y கொடுத்திருக்காங்கடா. f of x நடுவுல plus இங்க into plus into னா சுரேஷ் சார் ஒரு ஃபங்க்ஷன் சொன்னார். என்ன ஃபங்க்ஷன்? They have given f of 1 is equal to 3 சொல்றாங்கடா. And sigma k is equal to 1 to n, f of k is equal to 3279. Then they're asking us to find out the value of n. Okay வா? Then n is equal to dash. This is the question. Okay, இப்போ இந்த மாதிரி ஃபங்க்ஷன் வந்தா சுரேஷ் சார் ஒரு லாஜிக் சொன்னார். என்ன லாஜிக் பாரு. ஓகே, f of x plus y plus இங்க plus இங்க இன்டுனா a power of x இங்க plus நடுவுல இன்டுனா பாரு. ஓகே கைஸ், இப்போ இந்த ஃபங்க்ஷனுக்கு therefore see given என்ன? given what they have given? f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y given then f of x will be what? A power of x 100%. Are you clear the point, sir? There is no percentile. I wrote in 2015 there was no percentile marks. Okay, class 12th biology there was no percentile. Then why would I lie to you, man? Okay, so now tell me here, guys. So tell me here, f of x is equal to what? F of x is equal to a power of x. F of x is equal to a power of x. Hope everybody is getting the point. Now given what they have given here. Given f of 1 is equal to 3. So f of 1 is equal to 3 means what? F of 1 is equal to 3 means f of x is going to be what? A power of 1, which is equal to what? 3. Correct or not? F of 1 is equal to 3 is nothing but a x place la 1 pota pari. Sir, f of is nothing but a to the power of 1 is equal to 3. So a is equal to 3 I am getting. A to the power of 1 is equal to 3. புரியுதா எல்லாருக்கும்? Clear? Then f of k is going to be what? So they're asking us to find then f of k is going to be what? F of k is going to be 3 power of k. 3 power of k then f of k is going to be 3 power of k. Keep this in mind. Okay, now we need sigma k is equal to 1 to n f of k da. Okay, so basically then 3 power of 1, 3 square, 3 cube and so on what da? Sorry, f of k, right? So what I'm going to do, tell me here, f of 1 plus f of 2 plus f of 3 and so on till what? F of n is equal to 3279 da. So f of 1 means what? F of 1 is nothing but 3 power of 1 is 3 power of 2, 3 power of 3 and so on till 3 power of n da. So basically 3279 is. Okay wow. So then this is following a GP basically. Then GP. Are you getting the point? This is GP da. This is GP basically. Geometric progression with a value na 3, r value na 3, t2 by t1 is r value. So 3 square by 3 na r value, where n number of terms na n. So sum of GP formula namakku theriyumda. Neenga already படிச்சிருப்பீங்க 11th standard a into r to the power of n minus 1 divided by 1 minus r minus 1. So a value என்னடா? a value என்ன? This is 3279 given da. 3279. Okay வா? a value என்ன? 3 sir. r value என்ன? 3 to the power of n minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. Hope everybody is getting the point. 3279 is into 2 sir. 3279 into 2 cross multiply பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேடா. So into 2 is equal to 3 into 3 power of n minus 1. Okay, so இது cancel பண்ண என்ன வரும்டா? 3 ones, 3 tens, 3 nines and 3 threes. Okay வா? Sir 1093 into 2 how much da? So 3 power of n minus 1 is equal to 1093. How much da? So 1000, 2000, 2000 and 1100 and 2186 ah? 2186 ah? Yes or no da? 2186. Nalla pari. Am I correct da? N value. Everything is correct na? Yes or no da? 1093 into 2. So 2186. So 3 power of n is equal to 2187. 2187 is nothing but what? 3 power of what? 3 power of 4 is equal to 81. So 2186 means what? 2186 I'm getting that. 2186 plus 1, 2 power. So 3 power of 7. 3 power of 7 because I'll tell you wait. So 3 power of 4 is 81. Okay, va. எனக்கு 3 ஓட power 7 times multiply பண்ணா unit digit கண்டிப்பா 7 வரணும். So 3 power of 7 தான் வரும் பாரு. Why? Because 3 power of 4 is 81. 81 into 3, 3 power of 5, which is 3. 3 power of 6 enna? 3 power of 6 enna? Unit digit will be 8. Are you getting the point? 3 power of 7 enna? 4. Are you getting the point? So please check 3 power of 7, 380, so 3 power of 4 and 81, right? 3 power of 4 into 3 power of 3, per 81 into 27 da. Check. So unit digit 3 power of 7 panna, the unit digit will be 7. So 3 power of 7 should be the 2187. So n is equal to 7 basically. N is equal to 7. Are you all clear? C for Chintu Baba is the right answer. C for Chintu Wala is the right answer. Very good, very good, very good. Congratulations to you all, those who got the right answer. Ray, 3 power of 4 into 3 power of 3, 3 power of 7. 3 power of 4, 81. I know 3 power of 3 is 27. So 27 into 81 panni paru, kandipa 2187 will come. Hope everybody is clear with this. Okay, sir, இப்படி solve பண்ணணும் sir. இப்படி solve பண்ணாதா you will be getting an answer. Okay, next question பாரு. One more beautiful question. One more beautiful question பாரு. What is this? Sir, for the differentiable function which is mapping from R to, R minus 0 to R. This is the domain basically. This is the domain. Okay. Arey yaar, 1 minute. This is the domain. Oh, enada idi Chintu dancing ra idi. Dance. Okay, this is domain, this is codomain. Okay, sir, now and then this is the function given to us. This is the function given to us. This is the function given to us. And then f of 3 plus f dash of 1 by 4 they are asking us to find out. Yes or no? Class 12th. Tavinish, class 12th ra babu. Okay, sir, ipo enakku sir fine sir. Ipo previous two questions பார்த்தா நம்மளுக்கு எப்படி வந்துருச்சுடா guys? Previous questions whatever I solved எல்லாமே PYQ தான். Okay, so previous questionல நம்மளுக்கு f of x வந்து இப்போ இந்த மாதிரி equations was given directly. They have given this kind of equation directly, but இங்க பார்த்தா it is not direct. Okay, so நீ என்ன பண்ணணும், இந்த மாதிரி questionsக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும்னா இந்த மாதிரி questionsக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும்னா replace x with 1 by x. Let us take this as equation number 1. If I replace x with 1 by x, if I replace x with 1 by x, what happens? 3 into f of 1 by x plus 2 into f of x. Guys, இந்த மாதிரி questions க்கு எப்பவுமே இந்த லாஜிக் தான் அப்ளை பண்ணணும். இது நம்மளுக்கு செகண்ட் ஈக்குவேஷன் now. இது நம்மளுக்கு செகண்ட் ஈக்குவேஷன். ஓகேவா? Now solve 192. எப்படி சால்வ் பண்றது? I am multiplying first equation with 2. ஓகேவா? Minus multiply first equation with 3, sorry. Minus எனக்கு f of x தான வேணும். f of x, if you find out value of f of x, இது கண்டிப்பா வந்துரும்டா. Okay, f of x என்ன? If I multiply the first equation with 3 minus second equation என்ன? Multiply the second equation with 2. ஓகேவா? First equation with 3 கிட்ட multiply பண்ணா 9 f of x வந்துரும்டா. Plus 6 into f of 1 by x da is equal to 3 by x minus 10 da. Okay, sir, next பாத்தீங்கன்னா second equation எப்படிடா? Second equation 2 கிட்ட multiply பண்ணணும். 2 கிட்ட multiply பண்ணா 4f of x and இதென்ன 6 into f of 1 by x is equal to 2x minus 20 da. Subtract பண்ணணும். இது subtract பண்ணா நம்மளுக்கு பாரு, subtract பண்ணா இது இங்க plus, இது ரெண்டுமே cancel ஆயிருமா? So 5 into f of x. Okay, இதென்னடா? So 3 by x minus 2x plus 10. Okay, sir, f of x is going to be what? So 3 minus 2x square plus 10x divided by x. Sir, from this, what is f of x is going to be? Minus 2x square plus 10x plus 3 divided by 5x. This is what I'm getting in the place of f of x. Okay, now f of x I know. Now f of 3 we need to find out, and f dash of 1 by 4 we need to find out. எல்லாருக்கும் புரியுதா இது? Guys, இந்த question எல்லாருக்கும் புரிஞ்சிச்சா இல்லையடா? Please check. Correct தான வந்துருச்சு? 100% clear, sir. 100% clear. Actually, if you do like this, what happens? If you do like this, there will be a problem. Enna problem na? There will be a problem. Enna problem? Here x கீழ வரக்கூடாது. 3 by x na பாரு. Please check. Please check. Please check. Guys, don't take LCM. If you take LCM, there you need to apply quotient rule then. நான் சொல்றது புரியுதா? If you write x in the பாரு. இப்போ கீழ x இருந்தா you need to apply quotient rule. புரியுதா? So that will become கொஞ்சம் tricky. So I'll do கொஞ்சம் chintu logic here. I'll apply chintu logic. என்ன லாஜிக்னா பாரு. First I'll do like this. Let me write directly f of x here as 3 by x minus 2x plus 10 divided by 5. This is my f of x, pari. This is my f of x now. Hope everybody is getting the point. Oh my god, Chintu. Okay, 1 minute. Technology. Technology. F of x on the pidida. Okay, so now f of 3 we need to find out. F of 3 is what, sir? In f of 3, 3 by 3 is 1 minus 2 into 3 6 plus 10 divided by 5, sir, plus 10 divided by 5 15, so which is 3 da. So no, I made a mistake. Wait, so 1 minus 6 plus, right? So 11 minus, so 5 by 5 da, 5 by 5, which is 1. F of 3 is 1 directly. Now f dash of x enna pare, f dash of x venu. First we need to find out f dash of 1 by 4. Adukku f dash of x venu. So differentiate this. 3 by x, 3 by x enna minus 3 by x square. Are you clear or not? Minus 3 by x square, minus 3 by x square, minus 3 by x square, na minus 2, and 10 order differentiation is 0, and the denominator will be as it is. Denominator I'm not differentiating it. Okay, f dash of 1 by 4 venuda. So 1 by 4 venuna. So f dash of 1 by 4 means what da? 1 by 16. So 16 mela vandrum minus 2 divided by 5 pari. Guys, 1 by 4 x place substitute panna 1 by 16 vandrum. And the 16 mela poichina minus 48 vandrum. So minus 50. Minus 50 by 5. So minus 10. I'm getting minus 10. So minus 10. Minus 10. Correct dana? Good, but actually options 9 should be the answer. Da. 9 should be the answer. Are we getting 9? Are we getting 9 or not? No, sir. Somewhere is a mistake. 3 1 minute. 2 3 6 divided by 5. Oh, here minus 10 dana. Check please again. Check minus. Okay. Actually, I forgot to multiply with 3 here. So it is 30 varunda. There is a mistake. That is the thing I was wondering. Enna mistake na? Inga vandu 30 varano. Inga 30 varano. Inga 30 varano. This 30 vanda idu change ayirunda. This minus 10 appo. This minus 10. This minus 10 is answer change ayirum pare. Minus 16. So minus 15. Yes, everything works now. Listen the class. Inga minus 30 varunoda. Inga minus 30. Because first equation you are multiplying with what da? 3. So 3 tens 30 na. I forgot to write 30 here. Be careful da. I'm sorry guys. Inga 30. Appo idena minus 10. This minus 10. Inga minus 10. Idena minus 15. Minus 15 idi. Okay. This minus 15. Minus 15 is minus 3. Okay, wow, super sir. If minus 3, what I am asking us to find out f of 3 plus f dash of 1 by 4 pare. So with mod. So minus 3 minus 10, which is mod minus 13, which is 13. 13 should be the right answer. D for Delhi Baba is the right answer. Magic. Check. D for Delhi Baba is the right answer. Hi Pranav. Hi Pranav. How are you Pranav? Yes. Don't worry Pranav. Don't fear. We are here. Okay. Yes or no? Puri dailargu. Clear ah? So this is how we do these kind of questions. Okay, next question Pada. Next question I'm going to do one simple crazy question. Guys, this is JEE Advanced question. Okay, they have given it wrongly here. Okay guys, this is basically JEE Advanced question. JEE Advanced question. JEE Advanced 2024 question. Idanda JEE Advanced 2024 question. Eppadi paranu sir? Sir, how to solve function inside a multiple function, not only a single function inside it. Other composite function. Composite function already we have taught. Okay, so please go watch. Idhuk munadi lecture you will understand it. Okay, so function is mapping from R to R. Okay, f function is mapping from R to R, and f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y. I mean f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y for all x comma y belongs to real number. Very good sir. G is mapping from R to 0 comma infinity. Very good. Satisfying such that f of x plus y is equal, oh my god, let me write here, listen to the class. G of x plus y nada, G of, they have given it as what? G of x into G of y given da. G of x plus y is equal to G of x and G of y, right? So now here what we need to do, simple question, I will be giving a hint, you need to do this. Okay, very simple. F of x na, they have given pari f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y. Okay, G of x plus y is equal to G of x into G of y kuduthirukanga. Appo kandipa then f of x should be what? Kx kx pari. Then G of y G of x plus y na G of x na a power of x pari. Suresh sir enna sonnare ஒரே ஒரு விஷயம் சொன்னார் பாரு. என்ன விஷயம் பாரு? Pari. Guys, f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y na f of x is equal to kx. They have given this. They have given this and they have given this. They have given these two da. F of x plus y is equal to nadula into vandiruchina a power of x, nadula plus vandiruchina kx. Purida? Yes or no? Nadula into vandiruchina a power of x edukanu, nadula plus vandiruchina we need to take kx. So nadula plus vandiruchi we took kx pari. Nadula plus vandiruchida, nadula plus vandiruchi so kx. Nadula into vandiruchi so a power of x. Hope everybody is getting the point. So enakku f of x theriyum, g of x theriyum. Can't you do it now? Check. Now we need to see f of minus 3 by 5 they have given. So from this you need to find out k value. Okay, so f of minus 3 by 5 is equal to 12 given da. So let us do it, no problem, let me do it. So minus 3 by 5. So basically minus 3 by 5 means what? K into minus 3 by 5 is equal to 12 da. So 3 ones 3 fours. So k is equal to minus 20 sir. K is equal to minus 20 vandiruchu. So k value minus 20 na, this is star. So from the star equation what I am going to get? So f of x is going to be what? Minus 20x. Calculations konjam paathukonga da. Okay, so please let me know if I make any calculation mistake. Okay, okay guys, so f of x vandiruchu. Now g of x na sir, what they have given? Enak a value find out pandradhukku they have given this pari. So very simple. So g of minus 1 by 3 is equal to 2 given. So now a power of minus 1 by 3 is equal to 2. Then a value nada 2 power of minus 3 by 1. So 2 power of minus 3. So nada minus 3 danadi. So a value is equal to 1 by 8 da. 1 by 8. Check. A value na minus 1 by 8. 1 by 8 only. Please check. Hope everybody understanding the question. Hope everybody is getting the point. Clear ah? A value 1 by 8 da. So a value 1 by 8 na this is a hashtag equation. This is a hashtag equation. So from the hashtag equation what can I write? Tell me. From the hashtag equation what can I write? La 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 la. Look at the board, Rababu. G of x is equal to what? 1 by 8 to the power of x. That's it. In a f of x one, g of x one. What we need to find out? We need to find out f of 1 by 4. F of 1 by 4 plus g of minus 2 minus 8 into g dash of 0. Check. Everybody look at the board. This is what we need to find out. This is what we need to find out. Okay. Then correct the question correct then par. Absolutely correct, sir. Absolutely correct. F of 1 by 4, right? So we need to find what we need to find out. F of 1 by 4 plus g of minus 2 minus 8 into what? G of 0 they are asking. Sir, f of 1 by 4 means what, sir? F of 1 by 4 now, f of 1 by 4 means what? Minus 20 into 1 by 4 plus g of minus 2. G of minus 2 means 1 by 8 to the power of minus 2. Okay, so minus 8 into g of 0. G of 0 means what? 1 by 8 to the power of 0. Okay, so then now minus 5. Okay, plus 64 minus 8 into 1. 64 minus 13 da. 64 minus 13 will give us what? 51. 51 should be the answer da. 51 is the right answer. This is the final answer. 51 matching or not? Oh my god, wait. 51 is matching. Check. Answer 51 is matching. Hope everybody is understanding. Yes, Shiva Gaming, very good da. Shiva Gaming, very good. Check. Minus 20 by 4 is minus 5. 1 by 8, I mean 1 by 8 to the power of minus 2, which means 1 by 8 whole square. So 1 by 64. So 64. So minus 8. It simplify panna 64 minus 13, which is 51. 51 into 1, 51. Hope everybody is clear with this. Very good, Rah. Shall we go forward? Shall we go forward? Please respond in the chat box. Please respond in the chat box. Okay, chalo, next question da. Inga pari. You take this as a homework da. This homework. This is simple only. Okay, this is basically simple only. F of m minus n equal to n kadiyadu. This minus n. F of m minus n. Then f of m minus n. Okay, f of m minus n is equal to f of m plus f of n. Right? So try that, you will get the answer. So next I'll give one note. This is also homework for you all. This is also homework for you all. Okay, but basically guys, here there is a small change. This is the function da. Okay, this is the function. X this x should be outside. This x is basically what? Outside. Here x positive they have given. There should be a gap, comma, x is positive, comma, x is positive. So be careful here. Okay, but this is the function x positive. Then 18 times of 1 by 2, I mean Okay guys, can you hear me da? Guys, sorry, mic charging got over. I couldn't see that. Yes or no? Now can you see me da? Shiva Gaming, can you see me now? Can you hear me now? இப்போ என்னோட வாய்ஸ் எல்லாமே கிளியரா இருக்கா? Yes. Sir, what I'm saying, if f of x is equal to this, then f of x plus f of 2n minus x will be always equal to 1, I'm saying. Okay. So for example, a value 11 எடுத்துட்டு பாரு, n value 2 எடுத்தா, function will become like this. Then f of x plus f of 2n minus x, if you simplify பண்ணா, இது simplify பண்ணா எப்பவுமே 1 வந்துரும். Yes or no? So this formula is super duper important. So I gave Janda ke Baba. So 5 love symbols. So very important. This JEE oda favorite. Advanced very important, mains very important. Very very important for mains plus JEE Advanced. Very very important. Okay. So now everybody look at the board. Everybody look at the board. Hello everyone. Excuse me. Chintu. Yes sir. Sir, ipo idanna. Then f of x plus f of 2n, n place la 1 by 2 irukida, minus x should be equal to 1. Definitely. Pari. As per the formula I gave, if a power of x by a power of x plus a power of something irukanu, a power of n irukanu, a power of n, a value 4, so a power of n enna, so 1 by 2. Are you getting the point? Sir, now ipo correct ah pathina, everybody look at the board. Everybody look at the board. Idena idu last la f of minus 1 by 2 irukku paru, f of minus 1 by 2 irukku. So everybody should do this. Now na solradhu enna nalla paada. So here if you observe this properly, f of 1 by 40 plus f of 2 by 40 f of, and so on, f of 38 by 40 plus f of 39 by 40 minus f of 1 by 2 இருக்குடா. இப்போ இங்க நீங்க கரெக்டா பாத்தீங்கன்னா பாரு, this guy, this red color arrow mark பாரு, pink color arrow mark பாரு. Okay, this is going to be x. This is x. Okay. இப்போ இது x ஆயிடுச்சுனா இது 1 minus x பாரு. நல்லா பாரு. Okay. இது x னா இது 1 minus x. நல்லா பாரு. Are you all getting the point? இது x னா இது 1 minus x. இது x னா இது 1 minus x. இப்போ எனக்கு என்ன வேணும்? எனக்கு என்ன வேணும்டா? எனக்கு என்ன வேணும்? பாரு. Everybody look at the board. Then I had f of x plus f of 2 into n minus x is equal to 1, I am saying, which means f of x plus f of n, 2 cancel ஆயிடுச்சுனா 1 minus x is equal to 1. I got this answer here. f of x plus f of 1 minus x is equal to 1. So இது f of x, இது f of 1 minus x, இது f of x, இது f of 1 minus x. So now what I am saying, 1 to 39, 1 ல இருந்து 39 ல எத்தனை பேர்ஸ் இருக்கும்? So two terms combine பண்ணா எனக்கு ஒரு term வந்துட்டு இருக்கு பாரு, f of x, f of 1 minus x. That will be giving me what? 1. Now f of 2 by 40 to f of 38 by 40 will be giving 1 again. So nadula there will be a number, there will be a function which will not give anything. f of 20 by 40 பாரு, f of 20 by 40 க்கு எதுமே பேர் கிடையாது. So what I am saying, listen the class. 1 2 3, so everybody, 1 by 40, 2 by 40, 3 by 40, and next 20 by 40, next 38 by 40, next 39 by 40. Okay, நான் சொல்றது என்ன, everybody listen the class carefully பாரு. இது combine பண்ணா எனக்கு 1 வந்துரும். next இந்த yellow circle combine பண்ணா எனக்கு 1 வந்துரும். அப்படியே சேம் இது and இதுக்கு முன்னாடி 37 by 40 will be giving 1. நடுல இந்த pink color thing will not be having any pair. இதுக்கு பேர் கிடையாது. 20 by 40 க்கு பேர் வராது பாரு. 20 by 40 என்ன, இவரோட மீனிங் என்ன? f of 20 by 40 means f of 1 by 2. இங்க ஒரு f of 1 by 2 இருக்கு. வெரி குட் சார், ஆன்சர் வந்துருச்சு, அவ்வளவுதான். எத்தனை பேர்ஸ் ஃபார்ம் ஆயிரும்டா? 1 to 39 ல 19 பேர்ஸ் will form. 19 பேர்ஸ் will form. இதுக்கு பேர் கிடையாது. சார், now இது பிளஸ் இது பாரு, 1 plus 1 plus 1, how many times? 19 times. 19 times. நடுவுல f of 1 by 2 இருக்கு, plus f of 1 by 2, minus f of 1 by 2 as it is எழுதணும். So பாரு f of 1 by 2 எப்படி வந்துருச்சுனா நடுவுல 20 by 40 f of 1 by 2 அப்போ இது cancel ஆயிரும் சார். So 19 times of 1 என்ன 19 will be the answer. 19 times of 1 என்ன 19 is the right answer. This is the answer da. Hope everybody is getting the point. So answer enna 19 they have not given, but you need to write answer enna 19. தந்தானே நனனனானே தந்தானே நனனனா நல்லா இருக்கா क्वेश्चन வா அண்ணா வா வேற level question. Yes or no? Absolutely sir, absolutely. Listen the class guys. Now similarly try this da. Similarly try this the homework question. Same logic you need to apply. In the logic da apply பண்ணனும். இந்த logic எங்கடா இது note where did I write note? That note where did I write? எங்க போச்சுடா இது? This note பாரு. You need to apply the same logic பாரு. This formula only you need to apply. This formula only you need to apply. Hope everybody is getting the point. Okay, yes or no guys? Got the same logic pari. This is same logic. This is also homework for you all. Same logic pari. F of x should be written as what? F of x is equal to a power of x divided by a power of x, a to the power of 1 by 3. Check. So then f of x plus f of 2 into n value na 1 by 3 minus x will be equal to 1. So we need to apply this formula pari. So we need to identify the logic and do this. This is a homework for you. Try to do this. Okay. Similarly this question homework. Same logic da. Same logic apply pananu. Please try all these questions. So that's it for today. That's it for today guys. Hope you enjoyed. So functional equations is what? Very super duper supercalifragilisticexpialidocious mari ரொம்ப important. சார் என்ன சார் இது supercalifragilisticexpialidocious na exceptionally wonderfully good. Sir wonderfully good na enna sir? Extraordinary concept, exceptional concept, marvelous, speechless. Okay va sir enna sir neenga pesunga are chintu. Okay, supercalifragilisticexpialidocious na like super duper mass very important concept. Which one? This one. This one. idenda supercalifragilisticexpialidocious very important. JEE mains and advanced kandipa question vandrum paathuko purinji nadichuko. Okay va a puridara chintu paathu nadunduko paathu kattuko. Very good chintu. That's it for today chintu. We did really wonderful session today. Hope you enjoyed this. Sir first time coming to your live but now you are ending. Arey vortex babu next time you can come to the live da. Okay, no problem, you can watch the recording da vortex babu. Okay, so that's it for today guys. Marakama channel oda group telegram group join pannukonga da. This is the QR code. In the QR code scan panni please do join the telegram group for the latest updates and the class notes. Okay va இந்த செஷனோட நோட்ஸ் ஸ்லைட்ஸ் வேணும்னா கண்டிப்பா நீங்க ஜாயின் பண்ணணும். மறக்காம இந்த சேனல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணி உங்களோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கிட்ட ஷேர் பண்ணி ப்ளீஸ் டூ சப்போர்ட் அஸ். Okay va, so this is small motivation we can get to do with the double energy. Okay, to do the beautiful content with the double energy. So this is a small gift I could ever ask from my chintus. Are you getting the point? So congratulations to you all those who participated in this session actively right from the beginning till the end. Okay, so thank you everyone for your cooperation and that's it for today. We'll meet you guys in the next class. Until then, tada bye bye, good night, have a nice day, love you all my dear chintus. Va annawa. Very good vortex.